Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a knife set, which is made, I think it's going to be some really cool looking knife set. That's going to be something more fun and exciting than what I currently have. So here we go. Very crunchy thing. So let's see, how do we open this? Does it open? There we go. So let's see, you guys are going to see it with me at the first time. There we go. It's all plastic in there. So let's open these up. It looks like it comes with 3 knives. It comes with a chef's knife here. And look at that. Oh, that's nice. It's like a Damascus steel. You can see. You can tell like it's got those lines on it. So it's like made with multiple different pieces of steel, I guess, put together. And so you've got this chef's knife here. You've got this knife here. I do so much cutting. My knives, I go through knives so often. I just did the dishwasher, so my knives are all clean at the moment, but they're usually all sitting in the dishwasher. But look at that. Nice, nice. And the little paring knife here. Look at that. These are really nice. And the handles are good. And you can see the metal piece goes all the way down, which is always good to see in a knife. See how the weight is good. So, you know, when you hold a knife, you're supposed to put a couple of fingers over here. So it's got a good feel to it. It's got a little bit of roughness right here, which I guess will kind of wear down as I use it. But kind of get a good feel on the knife there. Just for fun, let's just see how it cuts the box for it, and it does. Look, it made a cut in the box, so it's definitely sharp enough to cut this box, and this is a thick box, so it's a nice knife set for sure, and it's got some good weight to it. I was gonna say I like it, and it's sharp already, so we'll see how good and long the sharpness lasts, but I'm gonna assume it's gonna last pretty good. It looks like it's made of nice steel. It's got a little label and logo on it there. So very cool. Thumbs up for sure. I like this knife set.